Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to hide phone number in Facebook. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Facebook application, then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Facebook login ID and password. At the home page of your Facebook, you need to tap in three horizontal line on top right of your screen. Here you need to go to your profile. Inside your profile, you scroll to the little down. There you can see the option of Edit Public Details. You tap on it. Scroll to the very last. At the very end, you can see the option of Edit Your About Info. You tap on it. Now here at the Contact Info section, you can see phone number. Just beside of it, you can see the option of Edit. You tap on it. Now here at the very first, you can see your phone number. Just beside of it, you can see a drop down menu. You tap on it. Now here you can see there are three options, that is public, friends and only me. If you choose public, then all of the people in the Facebook will able to see your phone number. If you select friends, only the friends on your Facebook will be able to see your phone number, and if you select only me, only your phone number will be visible to you. To hide phone number in Facebook, you need to tap on only me. Now to save this, scroll to the little down. Here you can see the option of save at the very end. You tap on save. And with that, no one will be able to see your phone number in Facebook. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to hide phone number in Facebook. Thank you.